Did you know that Claims Manager has functionality that will produce a list of recently accessed claims? To access this list, you will select the Claims tab and select your recently accessed claims. Displayed is a list of claims that have been accessed in the last 90 days by the user signed into Claims Manager. Note that the last access date time column displays the last date and time that the applicable claims were viewed. What you may not have known is that each user can control the number of days this information is displayed. The current selection is set to 90 days. If you would like to only see the claims you have viewed in the last 7 days, select the Settings tab. Then select Your Personal Settings. Note that the current setting for number of days to show in recently accessed claims is set to 90 days. In this example, we will change this to 7 and save changes. The next time you select your recently accessed claims, the list will include only those claims that you have accessed in the last 7 days. We hope that you have found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to assist you.